Understanding different cultures. What is culture? A way of life of people who share similar beliefs and customs. Example: language, music, religion, form of dress. What are culture regions? Areas on the earth which are grouped by common characteristics, common or similar culture traits for a group of people defines a region. Regions can have physical boundaries which separate cultures. The Sahara Desert as a culture boundary. The Sahara Desert separates northern and southern Africa. Both regions have developed different types of culture. What are culture traits? Culture traits are the characteristics in the culture that makes that culture unique and different from all others. These traits can include language, religion, type of dress, food, etc. Note the picture. The people of northern Africa are very different from those who live in Africa south of the Sahara. The people on the bottom, darker skin, taller, compared to the picture at the top. Similarities and differences. Culture universals. These are features of elements of culture that can be found in all cultures. The six elements of culture are culture universals: family groups, beliefs, government, economy, education, and fine arts. Although all cultures have similar features, they are different. The family element. A family unit is a group of closely related individuals, such as parents and children. Extended families include aunts, uncles, cousins, and grandparents. Families can develop into clans or tribes. Combined family groups eventually becomes community, villages, towns, and countries. The belief element. A system of belief based on what is believed to be true. The foundation or motivating force for the choices people make. Religious worship. The government element. An organized system by which people establish rules and laws for the society to live by. Government established order. Many of the rules of governance have their foundation in the culture belief system of the people. Education as an element. Every culture has a way in which skills and knowledge are passed on to children. Formal education involves academic learning, going to school, language and communication. Informal education involves teaching skills based on tradition and life needs, such as cooking, weaving rugs, driving, and etc. The economy as an element, a system by people meet their needs, a form of trading for goods and services which are needed. Choices are made to buy and sell based on needs and wants. Traditional economies are based on skills which deal directly with filling the needs of the culture. Traditional economics are based on skills which deal directly with filling the needs of the culture. That is the economic or economy. People look at the economy as an element. So we're talking about the six elements. Let's move to the next one: the fine arts as an element. This is the most visible part of culture: music, art, literature, dance, costumes, food preparation, celebration, and traditions. Culture diffusion. This is when a culture spreads its knowledge and skills to other cultures. Ancient merchants, traders, and travelers were major agents for spreading information and knowledge of other cultures. Today, the media is a major source of sharing information and knowledge. Media includes books, internet, TV, magazine, music, movie, and more. Conflict and cooperation. Every culture has established a way of doing things. This is called government. Government is an organized system based on laws and rules which helps to keep order. Due to some of the differences in beliefs and viewpoints, groups have become involved in conflict. We have a conflict going on right now over in Ukraine and Russia fighting over land. Many times these conflicts arise because the groups involved have difficulty communicating their ideas and needs. Africa, as an example, when the Europeans began dividing up Africa, they did not take in consideration that the tribes living in the different region had cultural differences. Tribes were separated in groups with parts of tribes they had been in conflict with. The country of Rwanda is just one example where the political boundaries grouped two tribes who were enemies. An attempt genocide took place recently. Genocides mean to wipe out an entire group of people. India, as an example, with approximately 4,000 languages and dialects in the region, the people of this subcontinent have struggled with conflicts for hundreds of years. Language, religion, and resources have isolated communities. Today, one of the official languages is English. America loves saying that it is a melting pot because of all the different cultures that has moved to America. However, if you melt something together, it becomes one. I would like to say that America is a salad bowl because everyone come with their different religion, their different faith, and their beliefs, their foods, and it's okay if we appreciate and celebrate each other because no one can force their religion, their culture on others. We are to respect, appreciate, celebrate each other. So, therefore, America is a salad bowl. See you in the next video.